In this video, I'm comparing how Google Workspace new tool Flow and Zenphi handle one of the most common automation scenarios in Google Drive: automated document generation and filling. Here is the use case. Imagine you're part of the marketing agency company. So what I want to happen is when a new Google form is submitted, I want to automatically generate a proposal from a Google Docs template, merge dynamic fields like name, data, and customer, save it as PDF in Drive under the correct folder, and notify the requester by email. Let's see how far each tool can take us. I'm using Gemini to help me build the backbone of this flow. Here is my prompt. When a new Google form is submitted, generate a proposal document from a Google Docs template, merge dynamic fields, save it as a PDF on Drive under the correct folder, and notify the requester by email. Gemini builds some initial flow steps. That's a good start. Now connect it to my pre-built form called Form to create proposals. So far, so good. But here is a limitation. There is no option to create a document from a template. I can only create a new blank document and insert dynamic data here. All right, I'll add some basic content generated by ChatGPT and make the dynamic variables from the form. Finally, I'll send an email to the submitter with a link to the generated document. Let's run the test. Great, it works. I received an email with the link to the new document. It's functional, though not very polished, I have to say. Good for quick, simple quote generation, but not for branded or compliant documents. Now let's try the same workflow in Zenphi using Zea, Zenphi's AI workflow builder. It works just like Gemini. I describe the process in plain English and it builds the workflow automatically. Same prompt as before. The file connects to the correct Google form. Done. Step 2. Here's where Zenphi really stands out. I can generate a document directly from a Google Docs template. I use a pre-designed template here with a branding, some custom branding to make the proposal look more professional. In the Create Document step, I connect to the template and map variables to replace placeholders with live form data. Then I'll use the built-in Create PDF action to export the file and choose where to store it in Drive. That's perfect for organization and compliance. Finally, I'll customize the email that goes to the requester or manager, attaching the generated PDF automatically. So let's do a test run. The files are generated, converted to PDF, and saved in the right Drive folder. Here I also received an email with a PDF attached, ready to send to the client right away. And here is the result. There is a PDF that was generated, a clean, professional document generated automatically from the form submission. So here is the difference. Google Flow can create simple documents and some basic notifications, but it can't use templates or manage Drive storage effectively. Zenphi, on the other hand, automates the entire lifecycle: document generation from templates, PDF creation, Drive organization, and branded email delivery. So if you rely on Google Drive for client proposal, quotes, or internal approvals, Zenphi turns this manual process into a fully automated workflow built right on top of Google Workspace, just like Google Flow, but for a more enterprise-level use.